everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Regpack account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in regpack.com in the URL box and search. Once you are inside the main homepage for Regpack, go ahead and get to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on this little drop down right next to your name. In the pop-up, you will be able to see two options. Select Log Out from the list. Remember that you will need your email and your password to get access back to your Regpack's account, so make sure you have a hold of them. And that's how easily you can log out or sign out of Regpack. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.